Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I've got for you a Superdrug haul. So it's been a while since I've done a Superdrug haul on this channel. I think basically while lockdown's been happening and the whole country's gone mad, things were quite hard to get in stock at Superdrug, so I couldn't really do a proper online haul, as it were. So yeah, I haven't done one. I have done a few orders, but it's been like when I've been able to kind of grab bits and bobs, which hasn't been as regularly as I would have liked. But it seems that a lot of stuff are now back in stock. As you can see, I've got a big box for us to go through. This did take 2 weeks to get to me. So unfortunately, probably most of the offers that I'm going to show you are probably not on anymore, unfortunately. But yeah, I don't know why it's taken like 2 weeks to get to me. I guess maybe just things are kind of a little crazy still. But I thought I'm still going to show you what I've got anyway, because I'm sure you'll enjoy having a nose at what I've got. Okay, so I haven't actually opened this yet. It says open here. And here's a little thumb, I guess. And then you're supposed to rip the top. Goodness me. Right, I'm in. So I got a box full. Let's take a look. Okay then, so to start with, I got some cotton pads. I haven't been to Primark in a while, which is where I usually stock up on these from. I am trying to use less of these now because, you know, there are more sustainable things out there. But unfortunately, they do come in handy sometimes for things. So these were on a buy one, get one half price. So I also got some cotton balls. Chris has had an issue with his eye recently, and I think these will be more useful for him than these. So I got these, and like I said they were buy one, get one half price. At full price, normally these would cost £1.85, and these would cost £1.60. Now, that's not Primark pricing, unfortunately, but they'll tide me over until I actually get to a Primark. Another boring one, I grabbed some deodorant. I just grabbed what was on offer. This was £1.50 instead of £3.65 each. That's still on offer at the moment, so if you're interested, go ahead. Okay, so at the time that I put in this order, unfortunately, it is not on now. There was a buy one, get one free on all makeup. So I stocked up on some makeup. I bet you can't guess which brand. I got some Makeup Revolution. What a surprise. So I got some foundations. These are £9.99 each. And I thought, you know what, I'll stock up while there's this buy one, get one free offer on. So I've got the one I'm using at the moment, which is F5. That's what I kind of use during the summer months when I've got more of a tan. And then I got an F4, and that's my usual go-to kind of out of the sunshiny months. So they were £9.99 for two. Perfect pricing. And while I was on the buy one get one free, I got some, they didn't have my shade in the concealer, unfortunately, for some reason. They just don't appear to sell it anymore. But while I was on, I got a Conceal and Define concealer in a much darker shade. I got a C15. I might try and use this to do a bit of contouring. I've been using something, I think it's from Barry M, I think it was from, but I have heard people say that this is good for contouring, so I thought, do you know what, while there's this offer on, I'll buy it, give it a try. So this is £7, it's the super size edition, which is 3 times the size of the regular sized one, but it's not 3 times the price, so I think that's fab. And then I also got some setting spray, and again, they didn't have the setting spray that I like from Revolution, but I couldn't resist this one from I Heart Revolution, and it is vanilla and coconut. Vanilla and coconut, that just sounds like it's going to smell delicious. So this was £6, so on the buy one get one free, it's similar pricing. Do you know what, I'm going to open it and spray it because I'm desperate to know what it smells like. Decent mist. Oh, that smells amazing. I kind of breathe it in my mouth, which it doesn't taste amazing. But wow, oh, that smells so nice. Oh yes, if that's any good as a fixing spray, that'll be my new go-to, because that smells delicious. Vanilla and coconut. I love vanilla-y smells, and coconuts just remind me of holidays, so it feels like a summery. Oh yes, really excited. Okay, I believe that is the last of the Revolution stuff. Didn't buy an awful lot, considering it was buy one get one free, but I have been doing Revolution hauls quite regularly. I did actually spend a lot of money on Revolution last month. I did a haul and then I did another one because they had a sale haul on, which I didn't actually film. Just too excited to get it open. Okay, the next thing that I got is from Nip and Fab, and it is their Salicylic Afix Tonic. I'd been having an issue with a few breakouts recently, and I just thought that this might be great. It's from their Purify range. This was an offer. It is actually still on offer at the time of filming. Hopefully it is by the time I've got it edited and uploaded. This was £5.45, and it should have been £10.99, so that's half of price. Half of price? That's half the price. I don't know if this is going to be any good. I haven't used it before, but I thought it was something to try. It just says it's a blend of acids and potent actives to help maintain clear, blemish-free skin. Helps to prevent breakouts by reducing spot-causing excessive sebum and blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I just thought that would be a good one to use. Okay, next I got some of Superdrug's own products. These I just thought looked cute. Hopefully they look as cute in person. They were on buy one get one half price, and it's a lot of like their home range kind of stuff. So this is the first one, and it's actually adorable. It's like a little cactus plant in a pink teacup. It's so cute. So this was £2.49, which as a price ain't really bad for what it is. I thought it's just super duper cute. It's one of those things I thought of for going in my beauty room that I'm going to be decorating at some point this year, or that was the plan. It feels like I've been putting it off for a long time now. The plan was it was going to be good done in the half term in May when I was off, and then maybe finished in the July-August half term. But yeah, I've been working from home, life's been busy, the whole lockdown thing meant I didn't want to go to shops and things, so that's not been done. Anyway, so this is one of the things I got. The next one is this other succulent. Ooh, okay, it's lost a pebble. This one costs £2.99, so it's a little bit more, but it is a little bit bigger than the teacup. Again, it's really nice. It's got a cute purpley thing. One side looks slightly worn, but that's fine. It looks nice from the front. It's got this lovely kind of dimply diamondy effect. I really, really like that. They're great for the price, aren't they? And the last one is another teacuppy design. I just thought that they would be so cute, like on the work surface or somewhere. Just nice little decorative items. Oh, this one's got a couple of little chips of paint missing, but it'd be fine. So this one again was £2.49, which I thought was a kind of a great price really for a nice little decorative item. And it means it's a plant that I don't have to water, so I won't kill it. So that's nice. And to finish off the buy one get one half price from the Superdrug ranges, and to finish off this haul, I got a candle. It's the Good Vibes Only candle. It's by Superdrug, and it is orange, pineapple and vanilla scented. I thought it sounded like it might be like a nice summery kind of, and it's got vanilla in it. I love vanilla. Right, let's smell it. Ooh, do you know what? I actually really like that. I was worried it was going to be too fruity and not vanilla-y enough, but that's a good mix. That actually smells very, very nice. So I'm glad I got that. So this one cost £3.49 at full price. Does it say like how many burning hours it has? No, I don't think so. Ah, here, 16 hours worth of burning it reckons it has. So that's really nice. I look forward to trying that. So guys, that was this month's Superdrug haul. It's been a while. It feels great actually to film this and show you. Yeah, I think I've got some really good bits. I spent 30-something pounds on all of this, so it hasn't broke the bank, but I think because having decorative items, I've got a makeup stash, I've got a couple of essentials and things, I think I've done really well. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think of these products. Let me know if there's any of these you'd like to hear more about. Let me know if you've tried any of this stuff. Let me know what you like. Just say hi if you want, that's fine. And if you have enjoyed the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button too. It would be fab to have you here. I've got plenty of stuff like this coming up. I'm doing like unboxings of various beauty subscriptions. I'll show you what I buy if I buy anything exciting. And I'm going to try and do some face mask Fridays. So stick around. And until then, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.